Hey guys, good morning. I am going to crochet this pouch today and I want you guys to join me. I am going to use size H 5.0mm crochet hook and number 4 worsted weight yarn. Okay, first we are going to make a chain of 20. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, for the row 1, we are going to make single crochet into the second chain from hook. This is the first chain and the second chain. So, into the second chain, make a single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet into the same stitch. Now we are going to skip the next stitch, and into the next we are going to make a chain 2 loop, which is single, chain 2, and single into the same stitch. Okay, now we have 2 chain 2 loops, and skip the next single again, and into the next single make a chain 2 loop, and skip the next single and chain 2 loop into the next. Now you can go ahead and repeat this across. Okay, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 chain 2 loops across. Now for the row 2, make a chain 1 and then turn and make chain 2 loop into the first chain 2 loop. Okay, single, chain 2, and single. And we are going to continue working with the chain 2 loops and each of the chain 2 loops across. Single, chain 2, single, and then chain 2 loop into the next again. Okay, now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I still have the 10 chain 2 loops across. Okay, now for the next row, make a chain 1 and turn. And you can go ahead and repeat this last row that we just finished 14 more times. And don't forget to make a chain 1 every time you do the turning. Okay, go ahead and make 14 more times by repeating this last row, and then I will meet you for the next row. Okay guys, I finished my remaining rows, and this is how it looks like. And for the next row, make a chain 1 and then turn your work, and into the first chain 2 loop we are going to make 1 single crochet and make a chain 2, and into the next chain 2 loop we are going to make 1 single crochet and then chain 2 and single crochet into the next chain 2 loop again, chain 2, repeat this across. Okay, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have 9 chain 2 spaces and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 9 chain 2 spaces and 10 single crochet across. Now for the next row, make a chain 1 and make a chain 2 loop into the first single. Okay, single, chain 2 and single into the same stitch, and into the next chain 2 we are going to make a chain 2 loop also, single, chain 2, single. Now we are doing the increase, and into the next single make a chain 2 loop, single, chain 2, single, and chain 2 loop into the next chain 2 space. Repeat this across. Chain 2 loop into the next chain 2 space and chain 2 loop into the next single. Go ahead and finish this across and I will meet you for the next row. Okay guys, I finished my chain 2 loops across and I have the total of 19 chain 2 loops across. Okay, now for the next row, make a chain 1 and turn your work and make chain 2 loop into the first chain 2 loop, single, chain 2 and single. Okay, and we are going to make chain 2 loop and each chain 2 loops across. Go ahead and continue it across. Go ahead and finish it across. When you finish, you should have the total of 19, 20 loops, okay? And then I will meet you for the next row. Okay guys, I finished my work across. And for the next row, make a chain 1 and then turn your work. And you are going to repeat this last row that we just finished one more time. And I will see you there. Okay guys, I finished my row across and I closed my work. I cut my yarn, and now I want you to make one more piece of this, okay? And when you finish, you don't need to cut the yarn at the end, and we are going to continue joining the piece together. Okay, go ahead and make one more piece and see you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my other piece and I have two with me now. And I did not cut my yarn at the end of my work. So now we are going to start joining the piece together. Make sure that the right side, this is the wrong side, and the right side is here. Okay, this is the right side. So we put them together. And we are going to continue working to join the piece together. Okay, now make a chain 1 and make single crochet in both thickness. Okay, make single crochet in both thickness. Okay, and now we are going to make 1 single crochet across with a total of 20 single crochet including the first single. Okay, go ahead and make 1 single crochet across with a total of 20, and I will meet you for the next one. Okay guys, I finished my 20 single crochet across here on the side, the first side. Now we are going to do the bottom. So for the next stitch, into the corner stitch at the bottom, we are going to make 2 single crochet. One, 2, and we are going to skip the next single, and into the next single we are going to make 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and then skip the next single again and make 2 single crochet into the next. Make sure that you are crocheting together. Okay, skip the next single, 2 single crochet into the next. And when you finish it across, you should have 20 single crochet. Okay, including the beginning 2 single. Go ahead, finish it across, and I will meet you for the next side. Okay guys, I finished it across for the bottom, and now we are going to repeat this side for this side. Okay, make sure to have 20 single crochet across to the end, and when you finish I will meet you there. Okay guys, I finished it, and I close my work here at the end of this side, and this is the opening. Okay, this is how the pouch look like. And don't forget to wave the tail of your work here on the other side. And now we are going to do the drawstring. Okay, okay, with the same yarn and the same hook, we are going to make a chain of 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Go ahead and make 120 chains, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I made my 120 chains, and now we are going to use the yarn needle to insert the string. Okay, we're going to insert this string here where the chain 2 spaces are. Okay, these are the chain 2 spaces. If you want, you can put the ribbon on the corner. It's up to you. I want it in the middle. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'm going to start here. Draw the string all around. My table is noisy already. I'm only just using the folding table. Okay. Okay, when you draw the ribbon, should be look like this. And make sure to make a double knot here to secure the end of the string. And do it also for the other side. If you want, you can add a flower embellishment. You can add a flower embellishment here or in the center. It's up to you. I'd rather make it plain like this, simple and plain. So if you like decoration, go ahead and make a additional embellishment for your bag. You can use this for traveling, like if you want to put a charger, you can. This is wide enough and big enough for the charger, phone charger or computer charger. Yeah, we finished another project, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for crocheting with me, and see you for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.